Good morning to the residents of Phoenix. My name is Chaplain Sean from the Indian Congress Party. Today is the 3rd of February 2025 and the time now is 7 minutes past 10. And basically the information I'm about to give you is vital when it comes to power outages in your area, especially when it's a cable fault or a substation that have exploded. So the questions that have been asked is basically what happens to our food items that's in our fridges and freezers. So I have actually got hold of the relevant departments, and I've made some inquiries due to your perishables going off during a long period of time from the outages. And I was told that you need to go into the rent office, that's at the disaster management offices in the rent office, and inquire about a claim form, liability claim form, which you have to fill out. That's with your reference number, copy of your ID, and as well as photographs, including slips for the purchased items that's in your fridges or freezers. And you submit a claim form, and basically what will happen, they would actually look at the claim, and if it's a valid claim, you would get rebated back into your rent bill. So as for that, this is information that was relayed to me, so I am actually relaying it to you. So now that we have a situation in Phoenix in Lanham Drive, in Lanham, the area of Lanham, and the power has been out for the past 4 days now. So residents, this is what steps you need to take in order to have a claim registered. Thank you.